Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Claudette and I am your Jamaican Gypsy granny. Now what you're seeing on the screen is what I do for a living. While these may be old photos, this is what I'm currently doing to get myself back on track as well as build up my my channel so I can start making some money off of it. So if you're watching and you'd like to help me, please remember to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, and also check that notification bell. Now what you're looking at right here is the luggage. No, first let me tell you what I'm talking about. I am talking about that trip I made about 3 years ago, heading for Merida with my entire family, where we went to Panama, then we went to Bogota, and then we ended up in Merida. The caption of this speaks of when I got lost in Bogota, Colombia, but that is only a 2-minute video. So what I decided to do was to give you some old throwback videos of life in Colombia, the things I saw, the things I did. Here you see what I left for Merida with. This is it. I sold everything I owned: my king size bed, my brand new fridge, my 6-top stove. Everything was gone. I gave away all my clothing, and this is what I decided to go away with, because I had decided I wanted to live a nomadic, minimalist lifestyle. This luggage here I acquired while in Colombia, because while traveling I was writing SEO content for various sources, and so I was making some money while I traveled, which you're allowed to do, because once you're not earning in the people in country from their jobs, you can do that. Okay, so this is us flying out of Panama heading for Bogota. Now I'm doing it kind of ass backwards, but because of well, this is the one I decided to do. Now in another video I'll show you some highlights of my visit to Panama, a country I love dearly and I really would like to go back to. Unfortunately, I did not get a lot of time in Bogota, and I wasn't able to explore as much as I would have liked. So that is on my bucket list, to return to Bogota, Colombia, and maybe I will be there for a longer period where I can see more of Colombia while I'm there. Alright, now we're coming up, just some photos of us on the flight. This is me right here, and me and my granddaughter. Look at her face, she's not smiling at all. And this is the three of us, 3 generations right there, heading out on a big adventure. It was really a good time. Now one of the things I found very disappointing, I hadn't traveled in a while. I was so surprised. This is all I'm giving you to drink. Unless you have up your dirty money for spend, this is all they give you to drink. Can you imagine? Oh, and let me put here, so that little bit of juice and that one dege banana chips. Anyway, here's a video of me lost in Colombia. Look here, people. Now I know I put this on the other channel, but this deserves to be put on both. So if you see twice, I said go. Anyway, this morning with my brilliant self, I decided I was going to go walking in Colombia. No cell phone, don't know the address, don't know my daughter local number. I went down a straight, or what I thought was a straight road, but it looked like the road did veer off and me never realized. So me walk. So when it's time for me to go back now, could I find my way? I know the road that I exit out onto the main road looked familiar, but I couldn't find my way back. I walked from 7 o'clock. I walked from 7 o'clock in the morning till 10:17. I went to ask this lady for help, and I said to her in my faltering Spanish, I need help. The woman said, no. I run from me like I'm a thief. I then went into a cellular store where he sold cellular phones to ask a man to call my daughter on her Jamaican number, and he said, oh, I don't have a cell phone anyway. I did not get stressed. I continued to walk. And I kept going up and down, but I kept missing the turn. Anyway, I was passing this particular building back and forth. I stopped at a school and asked the security for help. The guy tried to call my daughter. He did not get through. Anyway, I explained to him what was happening and I asked for a supermarket close to where I lived. He says, well, there are two. And when he described them, I said, no, not that one, the other one. He says, it's just right across the road. But he was saying it in Spanish and I couldn't understand. Anyway, another security guard came and he asked her to show me where to go. And can I tell you, where I stopped and asked this man, I was 5 minutes away from my yard. I could see the building. So, you see, this is what I'm trying to say in this, that I remained calm. It was taking a while, but I knew I'd get home because I do believe that God has got me in everything that I do. And he did at that point. He made me ask the right person at the right time to get home today. For that, I'm grateful. I just want to remind you all, whichever way, whichever religion, I don't believe in religion or nothing anymore, but I believe in God. And once you believe in God and have faith, he got you. He always does. Because, listen, let me tell you something. Getting lost in Bogota, Colombia, with my level of Spanish, and don't know where I'm going, it is not fun. So, I made it home. Thank you. All right, now, so in this footage, we're heading downtown to get. Oh, before I talk about that, we're past the bus stop already. All right, so we're heading downtown to get some hoodies because let me tell you, Bogota cold, and coming from Jamaica and Panama, we were unprepared for the weather. I mean, I had my hair braided over there and I asked girl, I said, so when does it get warm? She says, oh, it never gets warm. All right, this video here, I found these very interesting. These public transportations. Look at that little scooter. It's actually a motorbike. And that one, I think those are common in India. And so the bicycle thingy. All right, so here we're driving and we're heading downtown. And I thought I'd show you some of the graffiti we saw. Right along those walls going downtown, there's a lot of graffiti. This apartment, there are a lot of these apartments all over Bogota. We resided in one and it was quite nice inside there. It really was. All right. Okay, that bus stop, those are the bus stops they have over there. Isn't that cool? I mean, you can stand underneath this. The bus comes right up there. Entertainment in Colombia is common at the stoplights. They will beg you some money, but they will offer you different kinds of entertainment. I think I have another one coming up in the video and you will see that. So it's common to see this type of entertainment over there. Yeah. All right, let's keep going. All right, so now we're downtown. We're actually heading downtown. And these are just some of the stores and life, life in Bogota. It's been a while, so yeah. Just showing you. All right, see some more buildings here. All these high rises. There's so many high rise buildings all over. Listen, when we were coming from the airport, the amount of traffic on the street. I don't know how many people live in Bogota. I really should look that up, but hey. All right, this here now, what we're looking at here is every Sunday they close off the roads for people to exercise. You can go out and you can ride your bicycle, you can walk your dog, you can roller skate, and it's done, I think, all over Central America. Here's the other entertainment. I did have some audio up here, but because there was music in the background, I had to delete it. But this guy, this juggler, he was entertaining us for a while over there. And I mean, I think I saw some other forms of entertainment, but these are the two I caught on video. I just realized that I had the fan running, but I did not get it in the background as much. Okay, now this here, I think I'm going to try and blur that, ladies. But this is a common occurrence you see in Colombia. Recycling is a big business and lots of families, every day you see them out there with their little carts collecting bottles, plastic bottles, glass bottles and stuff. This is the whole family, the pregnant mother, the father and the children and the dog. I have never seen a set of people love animals so much. Every family has a dog. I have never seen so many dogs, and they have some beautiful dogs all over. Yeah. And see, there's another person over there collecting trash, and they go and sell that. One of the things that I found very interesting when we went to the airport and we changed out very little money, the exchange rate over there is horrible. All right, look at the menu right here now. Can you imagine paying 22,000? Let me see, coming, $31,900 for a place of food? I mean, it was hard to get accustomed to spending so much. I mean, Jamaica expensive, but come on now. This food was really good though. One of the things is that I do enjoy Colombian food. Their food is very delicious. They are well seasoned. They have a lot of pepper over there as well. And the food is well seasoned. It is very tasty. So I enjoyed eating out over there. It was, really nice. All right, we're coming up to something else I want to point out to you guys. Exercise in Colombia. Hey guys, this is the most fantastic thing ever. This is close to our new Airbnb, and they actually have a park out here. Well, a gym actually, out in the open, where you can exercise, open to the public. Isn't this great? It allows anyone who lives in the area to come in and get their fit on, and in the back you have the kiddie gym, so they too can get some exercise. One of the things I found in Colombia is that they have a great emphasis on keeping fit, and this is awesome. All right, so I got serenaded on the bus by Freddie Mercury. Unfortunately, I cannot keep his performance in because I tried to post it and they did give me a strike for copyright issues. I do have some background music, so I hope you enjoy the performance. Just watch him, I thought he was doing a great job. Anyway, thank you for watching, and if you've come this far in the video and if you learned anything about Colombia, please give me a like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get notified each time I post a video. Ciao!